My food. I was here from 6 o'clock, but I got my food.
What's it like inside?
It's crazy. It was like an ant's nest. The people them want them chicken, but you know what they put in the chicken? We don't know.
So what prompted you to come out so early now to get this chicken?
Because of the national dish, and I can't solve it. KFC is the national dish.
Me I say look like, oh, I'm not sensible neither.
And was it rough inside?
It wasn't rough for me because I was first, but everybody after me, it was a royal rumble.
And you were here from what time?
About 6:10.
6:10?
Yeah.
When you came here, was there a crowd when you came here?
It was only me. It was only me. So seeing the crowd now, wow, people are coming out of the ground like ants.
See first customer here. And I share first. Where did the people now come in?
Yo, this is a national embarrassment to Jamaica. This is one of the most disgusting sight I have ever seen across Jamaica in the KFC facilities. Yo, I mean, this is not breaking news. I'm not surprised, but I'm shocked. In a way where you can't believe that in our modern time like now, KFC been around for 50 years in Jamaica. And they have this, what they call it, like a bonus thing now. You buy a meal and then you get 2 pieces of chicken free. 2 pieces of chicken free. And these people are acting like they never eaten KFC before. I heard that people even get killed. I don't know how true that is. Allegedly killed in the KFC just to get a meal and to get 2 pieces of chicken. Can you believe that, yo? Jamaicans, yo, I'm a pro Jamaican forever. Nothing can change that. But when me see things like this, yo, it make me say Jamaican people gone to the dog, yo.
Kiss me rascal. Me I tell you wickedness can't done.
I saw who not kill off on yourself just to get 2 pieces of chicken free? You serious? Right now, if them did say Jesus Christ a come, so much people who no line up in a line, them that kiss them teeth.
Boy, I don't know, you know, look like them put something on the chicken still in the G. I don't know how what, but we are gonna have to check out that, you know, cause something on them chicken, man. For right now, you know, so chicken I give away, you know.
Yo, this does show me say Jamaican, you cannot take certain Jamaican. I mean, I say every Jamaican. Because you have some sensible people who are not in them nonsense there. But the majority of Jamaicans, when me see this up, and when me look, and when me, if this was some little kids like 5-year-old, 10-year-old, you know, 15-year-old were excited and everything, I could have said, okay, cool. And some big old grey tone, grey man, grey woman, me see 1 foot females up fight. If you go in at the KFC, yo, if you get 2 pieces of chicken free.
A big deal, you know, I had about 5 big deals for my family. So
make me feel good. Them say early bird catch the first worm, listen? So that's what I did. Well, I take my grandson to school and then I say I come in to get this special today.
And what's special about KFC chicken?
Well, we love KFC chicken.
And how does it feel to be one of the few customers to get food at this location?
Well, I feel proud and feel good because I come out of the crowd and I'm not in the quarreling and the fighting. And my neighbor asked me to buy for them because them can't come.
You see, let me tell you something, see. It's when you're young and fool, you will grow you out, you know. It's when you're old and fool, and done you don't rest, done you.
That about $1,000. Come on now, yo. Really? At this our morals gone? At this our standard gone? For you kill off each other, push down the security, fight the security for 2 pieces of chicken? Really? Yo, Mr. Me embarrassed. It was so distasteful and disgusting, yo. Me can't believe that this Jamaican really come after. Me bet you say if them did have a fitness thing a go on, like gym, and them say, okay, we are going to give out some free diet, some free meals, some free healthy meals, vegetable and so, and then now you're going to partake in this program to come to the gym free for a year. You wanna see maybe if you see 5 Jamaican out there. But KFC, I that no kill off on yourself for KFC. Who you think win? You think I wanna win? Are the people them we have the business win? Always. I can't believe right now, yo, me not surprised about certain things, but me I was like, wow. When me see the video them, yo, I was disgusted and let down. But me see it coming because Jamaica become a place of hype and excitement. Crazy, yo. Crazy. Me no know who are gonna become of these little younger generation now. If you look on the older ones acting like fools and idiots, killing themselves for 2 pieces of chicken.
Are you listening? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
In a KFC, you can't make this up. But anyway, you see it. Big up on yourself. Support good music, support good things. Big up, big voice.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.